Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the new series range laptops by Asus. Three different lineups are there in the Tuf gaming series. The first one is Tuf F15 2022 model, second one is Tuf Dash F15 and the third one is Tuf A15 laptop. Both are actually same. A15 series are totally AMD made and design also same as F15, like same dimensions and weight. But if you see the Dash variant, which is slightly differs from F15 and A15 variant. Okay, let's see what's the difference between F15 and F15 Dash variant. If you are a business professional who loves powerful gaming laptops and also you want to carry a laptop in a professional look, you should go for Tuf Dash F15 2022. The delivery of F15 Dash is really nice and it's better than that of A15 and F15 models. Two color variants are available in F15 Dash, Eclipse Grey and Moonlight White. Moonlight White which gives a premium look, and also lap has a thickness of 1.99 centimeters, which is slightly slimmer than the other two models. Dash variant is really better here. There is no option for an Rgb keyboard on this laptop, so if you are a gamer you should think about it. Only backlit chiclet keyboard is available which throws only white light, so there is no Rgb waveforms you can't expect in F15 Dash. Dash F15 has the two processor variant, 12th generation Intel Core i5 12450H processor at 2 GHz and 12th generation Intel Core i7 12650H processor which runs at 2.3 GHz. When you look into the comparison, i5 is really better than Ryzen 7 in single core performance. So if you are going to buy a laptop, buy an A15 Ryzen 7, then you should go for F15 Dash i5 budget variant. F15 Dash has a slimmer bezel over the screen, and don't think F15 Dash can't handle heavy games. It can handle almost all games in good frames per second, and there is a 15% of improvement in case with the usage of mux switch. Still, F15 Dash 2022 is not available in many countries, only F15 is available. And also don't go for previous year models, because if you are a content creator and gamer, Asus latest variants are better with the mux switch and bigger trackpad for better gesture controls. In my opinion, Asus Zephyrus G14 and G15 are really better in designs. They have 16:10 screen aspect ratio, aluminum lightweight build, but it's too much costly if you are planning to buy inside your budget. But G14 only comes up with AMD built GPU plus CPU. Asus quad price from $1,500, but they have to fix it below $1,300. That would be a much appreciable thing for Tuf series. 4 variants of GPUs are available in F15 Dash. From 3050 Ti, 3050, 3060 and 3070 with the different watts, 105, 75 watts, 60 watts. Don't go for higher watts. If you are an aggressive gamer, then you can go for it. I'm a moderate gamer, so my preference is 3050 Ti with 75 watts. It's not a mid-range profile, but while comparing with other GPU profiles, it's a best range. The full powerfulness of NVIDIA GeForce 300 series will not get on the laptop because of its limitations and its power supply. If you're an aggressive gamer, then you can go for Scar Gaming Strike series from Asus ROG. If you see the edges of F15 Dash, it looks very comfortable and curvy. It is very easy to hold. Asus first released F15, then it's planning to release A15 in more markets. After that, they will reveal or release their Dash F15 variant. So if you're planning to buy any of this variant, just wait for some more month and get F15 Dash if you like it. Otherwise, you can go for AMD variants. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. I am Manoj and this is VTuber. Subscribe for more.